Hello, 6th graders. Welcome to Big Ideas Math, Contract Math, Section 7.3, 2014 edition, Angle Measures of Triangles Extension. Pause while you write Section 7.3, 2014 edition, Extension in your math notebook. Pause again while you write the lesson objective in your math notebook. The objective is find the missing angle of a triangle and classify the triangle. Write the key idea in your math notebook. The sum of the angle measures of a triangle is 180 degrees. Be sure you write that and the example x plus y plus z equals 180. You need the triangle with the angle labels in order for your equation to make sense to you. Today we'll be starting on page 288 in your math textbook. Example 1, finding angle measures. Find each value of x, then classify each triangle. So let's look at letter A. We have 28 degrees and 50 degrees for two of the angle measures. And then we need to solve for x. So first of all, we combine like terms by adding 28 plus 50, which gives us 78. And then we subtract 78 from both sides, which gives us 102. So x equals 102 degrees. So the value of x is 102 degrees. The triangle has one obtuse angle and no congruent sides, so it is an obtuse scalene triangle. Letter B. We can tell by the markings that we have a 90-degree angle and we also have a 45-degree angle. So we add those up and we get 135 degrees, and we subtract 135 from both sides, and that gives us 45 degrees for the remaining angle. The value of x is 45 degrees. The triangle has a right angle and two congruent sides. So it is a right isosceles triangle. Example 2 is on page 289. We're continuing to find angle measures. Letter A, the flag of Jamaica has a triangle at the top and it has two x's. Now those are going to be the same. And we have x plus 128 degrees. So we combine like terms and we get 2x plus 128 degrees. And then we subtract 128 from both sides. So that gives us 2x equals 52. We divide both sides by 2. And so we get x equals 26 degrees. So the value of x is 26. So that means each of those small angles is 26 degrees. The triangle has one obtuse angle and two congruent sides. So it is an obtuse isosceles triangle. Letter B, the flag of Cuba. It has two x's and one 60. So again, we have an equation that has two x's plus 60 this time. So we combine our like terms to get 2x plus 60, and then we subtract 60 from both sides. So that gives us 2x equal to 120. So then we divide both sides by 2, and we get x equals 60. So the value of x is 60. All three angles are congruent, so it is an equilateral and equiangular triangle. Your assignment for this extension lesson is to complete the practice problems 1 through 3 below. They are also found on page 288 of your textbook. Show your work and be prepared to share during our next class. Please remember, to earn credit for viewing this flipped lesson, you must complete your exit slip, Come to our next class prepared with the journal pages or other work from the flipped lesson completed, and be prepared with any work that was assigned in the flipped lesson completed. Be prepared with any questions you have for the teacher, and always have a good attitude. We'll see you next time in class.